इतनी यादें जुड़ गई कि अब इन यादों से जुदा होना अखर रहा है। इतने सारे लम्हों को समेटना दिल के लिए बेकाबू हो रहा है। याद है मुझे वो पहली बार ओरिएंटेशन में आना, जी भर के अपने कॉलेज को निहारना, बड़े सपने बुनना और कुछ कर दिखाने का मन में इरादा बनाना। वक्त के साथ बहुत कुछ पाया है, वो दोस्तों की यारी, वो कपार में बैठ चाय की खुमारी, सोसाइटी में पहचान बनाना और लेक्चर मिस कर उसी की मीटिंग के लिए जाना, वो कॉलेज के बाद छोले कुलचे वाले भैया बहुत याद आएगा। हर फेस्ट के लिए जी जान लगाना, लेक्चर बंक कर कहीं घूमने चले जाना और फिर अटेंडेंस के स्यापे में कहीं ना कहीं पड़ जाना। वो टीचर्स का हमें हर बार सपोर्ट करना, हमें हर क्लास में कुछ नया सिखाना और टेस्ट से पहले दोस्तों से अपने सारे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करवाना, सब याद आएगा। अब वो लम्हे बीत गए हैं, दूरियां शायद बढ़ जाएगी, सबकी राह कुछ अलग सी हो जाएगी, मगर नई मंजिल के लिए एक सफर अनजाना फिर शुरू होगा। कुछ करने का हौसला कहीं ना कहीं मन में फिर बनेगा, मगर नई मंजिल के लिए एक सफर सुहाना फिर शुरू होगा। कुछ करने का हौसला कहीं ना कहीं मन।
Begin with one step. Days to Zoom. As you are ready to start a brand new journey of your life, who better to guide you than our respected Professor Lavanya Nandan Madam, Director and Principal of Nightingale Institute of Nursing. We request you to say a few words of encouragement and wisdom to our seniors.
Thank you, Santosh. Good morning to everyone. Respected Chairman Sir, Shivashankar Sir, Madam Preeti Jain, and all the board members, they are not present here, and Mrs. Sushma Sharma ma'am, all faculty, and today's VIPs, second year MSc nursing students, and all MSc and third year general students. I'm really privileged to be here on this platform. I think this must be the last address by me to you all, second year MScs. Just to start with, I think I start with a life, not with a nursing, because during this pandemic, I could realize more than anything is your life, and you living in this moment is so important. So we live only once, but if you do it right, once is more than enough. Once is more than enough to live this life. So this is given by one of the philosophers. It's so beautifully said. We have got a life as a human being for this lifetime. I think many of us never realized lucky enough of us to be a human being in this generation or in this lifetime. So be thankful for what you have today. You will end up having more if you concentrate on what you have today. But if you concentrate on what you do not have today, I think never ever have enough. This is given by Oprah Winfrey. You know, she's one of the famous lady in US who speaks about life and she's a philosopher. So, being one of the philosophers, Indian philosophers, he says, in self lies the whole world. And if you know how to do it, the door is open and the key is with you. So never look outside who will help you out, who will lead you, who will show you the path. It's you, it's within you. The key of success is there, the key of life is there. So try to open the door and try to open what you have. First of all, I thank all MSc Nursing secondary students for choosing Nightingale Institute of Nursing as an institution for their studies and masters, and they felt that this institution can do them much more than many other places which is nowadays. So on behalf of management and on behalf of the whole organization, I thank you very much for choosing our institution as a career and path. you're not a very good. It's not because I'm boasting that I'm working here as a principal of this organization. I know how the journey of this institution has gone. From literally a scratch to today we are there. When we look into the rating of our institution, it gives a pride moment for all of us that we have gone through such a beautiful journey. I don't say it was all full of roses. Definitely we had difficulties, we had obstacles, we had challenges. But we as a team from the management, we proud of everyone, team members of the organization, could make this organization at this stage of team. But there is not enough. We have much more to do. We have a way to go. We are all set to go through that journey. So, I know when you were here, unfortunately, much of the time the pandemic was hitting. So, physically, we couldn't meet on often daily basis. But I proudly say that we and our team of faculty could do a justice to your work, academic part, your clinical excellence, though we couldn't put you in a clinical 100%. But through the simulation labs and through the simulated activities of skiing, we could fulfill that academic clinical part as well. It's a joy and sadness both on this day because we know that a batch of us is leaving us. They're taking a bit goodbye from us. But it's also happy note for us that these students will go out and they'll be a grand and ambassador for our organization. They speak about organization. They take the values, those principles that we have taught in this college to the place of working. So the batch is what I observed second year of this batch is full of different personalities. There are very much talented people, intellectual people, very much good human beings. You know, it's a combination of vivacious personalities, I should say. So that's why the batch looked very good overall when we were addressing through these 2 years. And very gentle enough, the whole batch of students, and they could perform the activities what was set for them in these 2 years. And I know when you move out of this place, all these years, 2 years, you are confined with some restrictions that you can't do this, you can't go there, you can't speak this. These restrictions are not to restrict you from you growing. It's just to make you remind that these restrictions will help you to think many times before you are taking any actions. It's not that we are happy to stick to it anywhere because you are all mature people. I know you have seen the outside society, but that's not enough. Many of you are very, very young. When you walk out of this place, I know you will have a job. You will grab a better job, a better opportunity. People cash the name of Nightingale Institute of Nursing. Even I do that because when I say I'm heading Nightingale, it's a pride moment. Welcome you in a very grand manner. Same way with you all. I'm very sure when you walk out of this place, people will welcome you. And already I said that even I'm ready to observe some of you as per my requirement of the institution. But depends on will set an interview like others, and if you that set criteria definitely. So now when you walk out, when you are looking forward that you should be placed in a better place, better position, remember one thing, there are a lot of challenges and competition. So it's not only you, there are many people who will walk out of the institutions. So what is that one thing differently that defines you, right? What is that one specialized area of what you have that defines you? You should look forward. This person, XYZ, this qualities, and I want her to be in my organization. And I'm sure that she'll be able to. So the characteristics, models in you should pick out. You should know your potential before you're going for any interview. Please work out. Many a times we forget our potentials. We know it very lightly that I'm so and so, I've done my master's, or so there are so many masters outside. So I wish you to look into your qualities. What's that one person you are, that one person is like you? Because you shouldn't be a sheep among the group. You should be one person that will lead the group, isn't it? So I wish, because being a master's is what you have seen us doing in an organization, in your management, administration, and education, that you have a potential. Now it's you who has to judge yourself, decide yourself, where you will be standing, where you will be placed. Unless until you give an opportunity to others, no one can destroy. This is please carry with yourself. It's only you yourself can take you forward, and no one else can take you forward. No one else can destroy you. So it's you, whatever happens to your life. Please give a look into this area or a space of life, because when we are in a competition of running with others, we forget many things. I recommend take a pace and think sometime what you are. There are many successful people in this earth, but they're not successful people at their life. They may be very good at their professional life, but they're not good at personal life. Balancing your personal and professional life is so important, because at the end of the day, only your professional is not a life, even your personal life is a life. So giving balancing and time to both the area. Since you are very young, I wish please give a time to yourself when you are judging someone, when you are deciding on something, when you are taking tracking major opportunities. Please think over whether you are on the right track. This is so important. If you learn this, and I think no one can stop you from grabbing the best of the things in life. I wish you all good luck, and I wish you all to connect with us. Now it's very easy. Virtual platforms are available. This pandemic has really taught us many good things as well, along with bad things. So I wish you all have to connect with us. I also recommend all of you to make a video of your experience in Nightingale Institute of Nursing. Take a nice video in a good background and send us, because we are planning to do those videos on our website. Your comments, your experience really inspire many more people who want to take up Nightingale Institute of Nursing as choosing their career or studies. So this is a small gift what you can give back to your organization where your quality studies are experiments. So I wish all of you make a small videos, maybe a 2 to 3 minutes video which captures everything about you in this 2 years in this organization. Please send us. And I'm sure we will be with you if you want any help from us, even in future, in terms of job opportunities, anywhere you want us to consult. Because of you, we are ready to do that. We are free to consult us. We are ready to help you, even related to this organization. So don't think there are two there and you left out. Just to remind you all that our alumni, especially masters, are placed in a very important positions in India. And in fact, we are happy as a teachers that they have grown beyond our imaginations. And many of them are in a better position than all of us. And it's a proud moment for us to tell that we are teachers. And I'm sure all of you will also make us proud by grabbing the best of the best things outside society. Thank you so much once again. Wish you all good luck and be in touch with all of us. And may God bless you. May Almighty give you abundantly whatever you wish. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam. This girl has really encouraged us and has also provided us with. Thank you, ma'am. Feelings are not wrong or right, bad or good. Feelings just are. We may forget what you said, but they will not forget how you made them feel. I request Ms. Yashika and Ms. Asha of MSc Second Year to come forward and share their feelings and memories. We are eager to listen to you.
Good morning, all of you. I'm very thankful to Mr. Ashok Jain sir, the chairperson of Nightingale Institute of Nursing, Ms. Preeti Jain madam, the vice president of Education Society, our honorable director and principal ma'am, Ms. Lavani Nandan madam, and Ms. Sukma Sharma madam, HOD HR admin, respected teachers and my parents. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to share my college experience with you all. Today, I realized how time and valued moments fly. This college has been special to me for so many reasons. Since I have done my graduation from here and now master, I have spent many years here, and I am so delighted and sad at the same moment to leave this college and finish this chapter of my life. But I am also very much eager to see what the future holds. I am going to miss everything here, especially that important discussions that we used to have in the class, like what to eat when we have to leave. These 2 years were perfect. These 2 years were a perfect blend of joy and hardships. I would like to describe it with few lines. Yeah, exams are coming. I have to study for notes. I have 2 presentations today and tomorrow some more. Requirement deadline online. Please, no more stones. When this lockdown, oh God. Blank faces, online, offline, what to go for? Then 9 to 3 online classes with some household chores. So much of confusion for research as a whole. Expert validation, finding organizations and taking permission, then hundreds of corrections. Wait, I need some relaxation. Then in the group that couple the ma'am's message comes, no more accentism. Don't know why all this pragmatism, but time is a great medicine. Teaching us, take it easy, every problem has its own solution. And that's how I completed my 2 years of journey with all Nightingalians. This period is little challenging for all of us, but can't deny the fact that we have learned a lot in these years. Just one simple thing, learn, grow, innovate, make friends, meet people, but most importantly, come out of that shell of yours, come out of your comfort zone, expand it. There is nothing like comfort zone. Everything that you do is important, and most importantly, all the years that you are here, enjoy yourself thoroughly. Do your best each day, give to 100%. Wishing you all success in your life. All the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Yashika. It is going to be a memorable one. Music speaks what cannot be expressed. Soothe the mind and give it rest. Heal the heart and make it whole. Flows from heaven to the soul. I now welcome Ms. Nilima for singing a song.
My name is Nilima from MSc Nursing First Year. Today in this farewell program, I'm going to present a song, Memories, and this song is dedicated to all my beloved seniors of MSc Nursing Second Year at the Institute of Nursing.
Cheers to the ones that we can. Cheers to the ways that we can. Turn off the drinks, get back to everything
everything that went through. Toast to the ones in today. Toast to the ones that we live on the way, 'cause the dreams bring back all the memories. And memories like that, memories feel like you. There's a time that I remember when I never pressed the last, when I felt everything now my heart feels like an ember, and it's nothing but the dark. I carry the scars for you, that you never know. Everybody has something, everybody has something, everything will be alright. Cheers to the ones that we know. Cheers to the ways that we know. Turn up, 'cause the dreams bring back everything we've been through. Cheers to the ones that we know. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, 'cause the dreams bring back memories. Memories bring back you.
Thank you, Nirupma. It was so soothing.
I now request Ms. Asha of MSc second year to share her experience and memories at Nightingale Institute of Nursing.
Thank you, Sonia. A very good morning to all. My name is Asha Thomas, and I am extremely thankful to Honorable Shri Ashok Jain sir, Mrs. Preeti Jain madam, our respected Professor Mrs. Lavanya Nandan madam, Ms. Sushma Sharma madam, respected teachers, my dear friends and juniors, for giving me this opportunity to share my experience with you all. Every end has a new beginning. Today might be the last day for us as a student in Nightingale, but I believe our learning will actually start from today. While I'm excited and enthusiastic to share my experience, I'm also feeling sad that we will be leaving our college as students now. This place has been like the second home for us, where we have spent most of our time. Here all the teachers have been extremely kind, and they always supported us throughout our learning phase. When I joined 2 years back, I was excited, but at the same time I'm a little scared that how I will balance between my studies, my family. But with the support and guidance of Principal Ma'am, my dear teachers, family, and also with the help of friends, my journey of 2 years went smoothly. I still remember all the programs like workshop, OSCE, World Heart Day program, and many more which we had organized together with the help of our hardworking teachers and made the program successful. And also enjoyed lots of moments with the friends, learning, laughing, silly jokes, eating together. All such memories are really valuable for me and will be in my heart. As we know, everyone will be busy. We may not be able to meet or stay in touch on daily basis, but everyone will be in my prayers. I would like to give my sincere thanks to Shri Ashok Jain sir, Mrs. Preeti Jain madam, for giving me the opportunity to be a part of this college. My heartfelt gratitude towards Professor Mrs. Lavanya Nandan madam, who has always portrayed the image of highly disciplined personality, yet so kind and humble. With charisma and charm, ma'am has always influenced us and motivated us to achieve the impossible. Also thanks to Ms. Sushma Sharma madam, who is the strongest motivation and the constant inspiration for the people around her. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my teachers, because without their support, this journey would not have been possible. I would also extend my thanks to my batchmates for being so supportive and wonderful. And I had amazing time with you all. I wish you all the good luck, happiness and success for your future journey. At last, but not the least, I would like to thank my juniors for this wonderful farewell. Though we did not get the chance to interact,
chance to get interact. But I wish you all the best for your future. I must say that I'm very thankful to this prestigious institute for giving me such a good time. Thank you once again. Stay safe, stay healthy. Miss you all.
Thank you, Ms. Asha, for sharing your experience and memories with us. I would like to request our Honorable Chairman, Shri Ashok Jain sir, to enlighten us with his valuable thoughts.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Professor Lavanya Nandan, Nursing Director, Principal, Mrs. Vishnu Sharma, HOD, HR Admin, faculty members, and my dear students. We are welcome for their work. After this conversations to all of our students for completing to start despite of research for studying as well as to all for your support and for maintaining the dignity of the college. Today, you have not only made us proud, but we have done too. A big round of applause for all of you. Students, you all are very well aware that you are now eligible for 50%. So, this is RPQ for further support. Make a most out of it and you may all rise and become a kind of manager. Teachers, institutions, governors, Mrs. Sharma, and faculty members who have tried their best to provide you excellent services. Once again, good luck with your future endeavor.
Thank you, sir, for your words have enlightened our minds and has also given us new perspectives in our lives. Now, I would like to request respected Mrs. Sushma Madam, HOD HR Admin of Nightingale Institute of Nursing to say a few words on this occasion.
I think Sushma Madam is on her way. She is driving. She called me outside. And on behalf of her, I wish all the Mrs. good luck. And you know, she's a person who supports, even after you are leaving, a lot of documentation, a university or a council activities are supported by Sushma Madam. Definitely she will be in touch and she has conveyed a number of you. May God bless you on behalf of Sushma Madam. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiration and also for your motivation. So now let us see how many of our second years know their classmates well. So I welcome you to the farewell party today for the batch of MSc second year 2019 to 2021 10th batch. She is bold in nature, a fabulous dancer and singer. MSc second years, any guesses?
Daddy Aruna.
Daddy. MSc second years are kindly requested to turn on their videos. Okay, we'll move on to the next one.
सबसे frank and chilbuli सी, naughtiest but sincere, and hardworking with a pretty smile. Any guesses?
Tanika.
That's right, it's Ms. Tanika. Sweetest of all, less talkative. Eyes are vibrant, polite and shy, caring and helpful.
Yashika.
Yes, it's Yashika.
Ever ready to learn, never says no to growth, and a smart builder. Any guesses?
Niketa.
That's correct, it's Miss Nikita. Curly hair with a decent naughtiness, happy and stress-free soul, smart enough to win the race.
Alicia.
No, so fast. Yes, it's Miss Alicia.
Gentle and brotherly touch, sweetheart, mature and responsible, and good at calming down others.
Ashadi.
Bold and beautiful, indeed a leader. Intelligent, sweet and salty, epitome of justice.
Anamika. Anamika.
Khushbu.
Yes, it's Miss Khushbu. So now we'll move on. And life is a song, sing it. I now request Ms. Santosh for presenting a song for our dear seniors. Santosh, it was Miss Horizon. So let's move towards some of the games that we have planned for our seniors. And the judges for the games will be Jolly Ma'am and Abhilash Ma'am. So we welcome you to the activities that we have planned for you. So the first one is storytelling. The instructions will be, you have to tell a meaningful story by seeing the picture displayed on your screen. The time limit will be 1 minute and the best 5 will be selected. And we'll be calling you up with the names alphabetically. Okay, first it's Miss Ananya. Please kindly turn on your videos when you will be doing the activities. Is Miss Ananya there? Okay, Miss Anju. Okay, Miss Alicia. Miss Asha.
Yes. Actually, story of gingerbread.
You have to narrate it, B.
Okay. The grandma is me.
When I say that you can start now, so your 1 minute will count. Okay. You can start the story now.
Okay, the grandma is preparing bread, the gingerbread, and the bread like get alive and the actually I don't know the story.
You have to make it by your own way.
Okay, इसमें grandmother है वो gingerbread ready कर रही है and then उस bread में like वो live हो जाता है and he's like running out from the house and then he's meeting like all the people and then cow and he's very happy. But at last he fox kills me first. He like 7 days kills me and then
Thank you. Next is Miss Dhairya.
There is a grandma who is making a gingerbread, and then she put that gingerbread into the oven, and suddenly that gingerbread came out of that oven and ran away, and he was scaring everyone around in the environment. And then the gingerbread scared 3 farmers working in the farm, and then he scared the cow also and horse, and then one fox came and ate the gingerbread. He took it away.
Okay, so we have Miss Ananya also here. Miss Ananya, am I audible?
yeah.
Okay. The instruction is you have to make up a story and you have to narrate that story in front of our teachers for 1 minute by seeing this picture that is displayed on your screen. Okay, so shall we start?
Same picture.
Yeah, the same picture. You can start now.
So as you can see in this picture, grandma is baking bread and suddenly this bread ran away. The bread is alive
and he's scared some of the people. People are also scared. People are also seeing how the spread started walking in way, and at last a fox ate that bread. I think bread is scared that the bread wants that no one should eat the bread. But at last that the fox ate that bread.
Well, next is Miss Divya.
This is a story of gingerbread. Actually, the grandma was making the gingerbread, and when she kept in the oven, suddenly the bread was alive and that ran away. But the grandma was catching the bread, but the bread was running very fast. She couldn't catch. And on the way, some people were seeing the gingerbread, but they couldn't also catch the bread. And also on the way, the cow was seeing, and the cow was so hungry and tried to catch the gingerbread, but couldn't able to do so. And also on the way, some horse also got the bread, but couldn't catch the bread. And finally, the fox has seen the bread, but the fox was so intelligent, and he told that to cross the river. And also gingerbread agreed that, and he told to sit on the back of the
Time up.
Okay.
Thank you. Next is Miss Kanika. Miss Kanika?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Could you please turn on your video, please? Okay. You can start it.
I've not heard about this story.
Yeah, but you have to make it.
Okay. So here's I think here's a granny who is preparing food for someone, and there is a buffalo who's there. That's it. I'm not able to.
Okay. Thank you for participating. Next is Miss Khaleda. Miss Khaleda. I guess she's not there. Miss Khushbu. Okay, Miss Mona Lisa. You are not audible. Could you please speak up? Yes, yes. So by seeing this picture, you have to start. I'll be starting the timer right now. Okay. Okay, so you can start narrating the story.
Baking the bread, gingerbread, and suddenly the gingerbread ran outside. The grandmother searching for the bread, and for the bread, and the cow also saw the bread, but they touched the bread. And after that, the river fox saw the bread, and crossed the river, and by the proposal, the bread was free, and the
Time up there. Next, Miss Nikita. Miss Nikita is there. Nikita. Okay, next is Miss Nirlipta. Okay, Miss Shalu. Yes, dear. Just a second. Okay. You can start the story.
In the story, picture we see a grandmother who cook a gingerbread in a shape of man. So suddenly, gingerbread come and fast and ran from the queen and then said, "I want to go out. I want not to someone eat." And then grandmother said, "Stop, please. I would like to eat too." So gingerbread man was too fast and said, "You can't catch me." Then next. Gingerbread man. Then next, cow is eating the gingerbread and again said, "I want to eat too." But gingerbread was too fast and said, "I want to. Anyone don't catch me." So gingerbread first one. Then again horse see the gingerbread man and then again gingerbread man say, "I'm too fast. Anyone don't catch me." Then finally.
Time up. Thank you. Next is Miss Yashika.
Yes. In the first picture, the parents, especially the grandmother, preparing the gingerbread. Then they will spread it live. Then it comes outside, and the grandparents trying to reach the gingerbread. Then he interacts with the environment, with the people. In the next picture, he plays with the cow, and then he got a horse, then he get a fox, and then grandma tries to catch it, and it becomes the food of that clever fox.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, dear teachers and our seniors, who participated in these activities.
आइए देखते हैं हमारे कुछ और सीनियर की विशेषताएं।
Charismatic lady with a charming conduct, solid and fittest of all, fast and furious to finish the task.
Ananya.
Okay, let's see the answer. Yes, it's Miss Ananya. Beautiful and caring, naughty, sincere with work, perfect in answer presentation skills.
Anamika.
Shalu.
Miss Shalu.
Sweet and sharp at the same time, cutest innocent and smile, gentle and peaceful conduct.
Khalida.
Yes, it's right. Confident and a great public speaker, bold personality with a sharp mind, always gives importance to expression of appreciation and gratitude.
Anamika.
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 Yes, it's Anamika.
Polite and less talkative, very decent, cute, good in academics, has a terrific smile.
Mona Lisa.
Mona Lisa.
Very active and smart, most adjusting of all, very mindful talkative, and has a great sense of
Anju Didi.
Okay, let's see the answer. It's Miss Anju.
Cute, talkative, natural, and a cool soul with pure heart.
Miss Nerlis. Slim and smart, great teaching skill. Stays as simple and natural as possible.
Divya.
Divya Di.
Yes, it's Miss Divya. All the best to our seniors for a new journey.
Thank you.
Poetry is when an emotion has sound, the thought, and the thought has found words. So, I now request Miss Anita to present the poem.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम अनीता है। आज फेवरेट के मौके पर मैं आपसे एक छोटी सी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। कविता का शीर्षक है बीते लम्हे। बीते सारे लम्हे सुहाने याद आएंगे, बीते सारे लम्हे सुहाने याद आएंगे, गुजरी शरारतें और गुजरे जमाने याद आएंगे। आज यह सब कल कहाँ होंगे, आज यहाँ सब कल कहाँ होंगे। जिंदगी तो हर वक्त बदलती रहेगी, जिंदगी तो हर वक्त बदलती रहेगी। सूरज फिर नए सवेरे लाएंगे, सूरज फिर नए सवेरे लाएंगे। नई रोशनी बिखर नहीं है, ये आखिरी दस्तार नहीं है। बस नजरों से दूर हो जाएंगे, बस नजरों से दूर हो जाएंगे। दिल में फासले के एहसास नहीं है। कहीं किसी मोड़ पर हम फिर आवाज लाएंगे, कहीं किसी मोड़ पर हम फिर आवाज लाएंगे। बीते सारे लम्हे हमें याद आएंगे। वो हटिक एरिया, वो दौड़ा दौड़ी, वो हटिक एरिया, वो दौड़ा दौड़ी अब अतीत के हिस्सों में है। हमारी हंसी को बेपरवाही, हमारी हंसी को बेपरवाही बस बचपन के किस्सों में है। वो शोर मचाती टोली, वो भागम भाग और हाथ निकोली। बीते सारे लम्हे याद आएंगे, बीते सारे लम्हे याद आएंगे।
Thank you, Anita. That was really beautiful.
Memories are timeless treasures of the heart. So let's see some of the memories of our seniors at Nightingale Institute of Nursing.
दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है, तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। तो थोड़ा सा तेरा हो गया, तो थोड़ा सा
That was really a priceless moment. I hope you all enjoyed watching that.
Dance is music made visible. So now I would like to show you Miss Tharia's dance performance. Thank you, Miss Tharia. It was really awesome.
I would like to tell you the ones who have won the round 1. That is Miss Shalu, Miss Divya, Miss Dhairya, Miss Asha and Miss Yashika. So these 5 are the ones who are going to the next round. So before going on into the next round, may I now request Ms. Rupali Arora to come forward and share her thoughts and convey good wishes to our seniors.
The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet, said by Aristotle. With this, a very good morning to all the dignitaries present here in the farewell of our seniors. I, Rupali Arora, on the behalf of all the juniors, want to share some experience we have shared with our seniors. As because of this pandemic, we didn't get much time to get interacted with our seniors, but after all this condition, our seniors were always there with us whenever we called them, whenever we texted them, at any time. They guided us and taught us how to achieve our goals with the help of our respected teachers. I would like to thank and congrats to all my seniors and helping us and guiding us in the way, whatever way they can. At last, I would congrats to all my seniors, and at last I will end my lines by saying the quote, go confidently in the direction of your dreams, live the life you have imagined. Thank you. Good luck to you all.
Thank you, Ms. Rupali.
Words make you think, music make you feel, a song make you feel a thought. So now, I request Ms. Dhairya to sing the song on the farewell occasion. Thank you, Miss Daria. It was really amazing. Okay, अब थोड़ी सी मस्ती कर लेते हैं. So you people are ready for some fun? Let's continue with the games that we have planned for our seniors.
So the second round is the memory game. We'll go on to the instructions. So the participant will be given only 10 seconds to memorize whatever is displayed. 15 seconds will be given to them to write down the things that they remember from seeing that picture in the chat box. And the one who writes maximum number of correct things will be selected for the next round. So for seeing the picture, your 10 seconds start now.
And you have to write in chat box.
Try and chat box.
We have to chat box. Okay.
Yeah.
And kindly turn on your videos, please.
Time's up.
Time up, the.
Actually, I started writing in page.
Okay, we'll give you 10 seconds. 10 seconds more, bus. Okay. Start, please.
Time's up.
Time's up. Okay. So, try to just display that picture, please. So, Yashikadi has written flower, leaves, elephant, cap, giraffe, and balloon. Sharudi has written giraffe, gun, balloon, and bed. Dhairya has written cap, umbrella, leaf, zebra, elephant, giraffe. And Ashadi has written balloon, jug, aeroplane, violin, ice cream, cupcakes. Okay. Divyadi, what happened? You had some issues? Divyadi, kindly unmute yourself. Okay, so we have got 4 winners here: Yashikadi, Shaludi, Dhairya, and Asha. Okay, we'll move on to the next round then. Next is the Bollywood movies. So it's a simple task. I know the ones who sing well or the ones who listen music more will be easy. It will be easy for them to guess.
Sorry, we have to write in chat box or we just remember?
You have to just say, just tell us. You'll be played. I'll tell you the instructions just a second. Right.
Okay.
Okay. So in this, you have to a song will be played for 10 seconds, and the participant will have to guess the movie, right? And the one who guesses correctly will be sent to the final round. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll take up with Yashikari first. Which movie, Dave?
I
Anisha, kindly note the time. 10 seconds only for one question.
Answer.
Okay. It was from China Gate. Okay, so the next song is for Miss Shaludi.
Yes. Bodyguard.
Okay, correct. Okay, next is for Miss Dairyadi. Okay, so here's the song.
Bajirao Mastani.
No, it's from Padmavat.
Sorry, Padma.
Okay. Last one is from Ashadi.
It's Tari Gumi.
Yes. So we have two winners, Miss Shalu and Miss Asha. So they will be going on into the rapid fire game. Okay, so the instructions for rapid fire will be:
there will be 5 questions. For each question, the participant will be given 10 seconds to answer. One who gives most correct answer will win the game.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Okay, next question. Gidda is the folk dance of? You can say fast if you want to.
Punjab. Punjab.
One second. These questions are like for one person each. Okay.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, now.
Chaya, just change on to the next slide, please. Okay, so first Ashwadi will be asked with 5 questions, then Shaludi will be asked for 5 questions. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll ask from Ashwadi first. So display the first question, please. Who is known as the father of Indian institution?
B.R. Ambedkar.
Yes. Next question, please. Who is known as the Iron Man of India?
Vallabhbhai Patel.
The full name, please.
full name is Vallabhbhai Patel, Shri Vallabhbhai Patel.
It's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Oh, sorry.
Next question. Which is the smallest bird in the world? Next question. What is the name of the largest moon of Saturn? Next question. Who wrote Vande Mataram?
Bankim Chatterjee. Shri Bankim Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Okay. Next is Miss Shaludi. So the first question is, who invented telephone? Sorry?
Please repeat.
Who invented telephone?
Alexander Graham Bell.
Great. Next question. Which is the closest planet to Sun?
Mercury.
Yes. Next. Brain of computer is?
Brain of computer. CPU. Central Processing Unit.
Yes. Next question. Which African country is famous for chocolates?
Chocolates.
Yes. Next question. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Okay. Okay. So I request Jolly ma'am to announce the winner.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes.
Good morning to everybody. It has been a long time that I have had any interaction with my MSc second year students, right? But I miss you all, and I am enjoying having the classes with my MSc first year students. Hope you all are safe, and you has to build up your immunity, boost up your immunity, and you have to now start working to make your profession more proud, to make your teachers, to make your family, everybody more proud. I'm very happy that today is your farewell, but yes, again, it's very difficult to leave our old students. So, in the rounds, I enjoyed. I don't know about you all, but I enjoyed the rounds. I hope I would have been there to hoot and cheer up. The fourth round, it was between Asha Thomas and Shalu.
Yes,
and the winner is Shalu. Congratulations, Shalu.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Dance is a hidden language of the soul. So now I welcome Miss Manisha for her performance. energetic performance.
I now request Ms. Pratibha for the vote of thanks.
Before that, Santosh and Sonia, may I take 2 minutes, please?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And before vote of thanks, I would like to say this is a well-organized program. Holds on our online platform. MSc first years really thought about how it can be very interesting. As Mrs. Jolly was saying that she enjoyed, even I was thoroughly enjoyed, though I was doing my other work. But on a mute mode I was seeing everything. A great energy. Manisha was about last, right? Last. Yeah, great energy. Well performed. I should say it's a KU MSc idea. No doubt. All-rounder. I really love the way she sang the song.
Thank you,
It
ma'am.
was really very nice, very professionally way you sang. Happy about that. But I don't know. I think you didn't get much opportunities in our institution because of this pandemic. Or else we organized so many programs on this. I really miss that because though all masters are still young enough to manage many things. And all those games what you have planned was very much intellectual, I feel, very nice. Brainstorming, which one can really think of on a virtual platform. Well done, and all the MSc first year students, and also teachers, your coordinator, Mrs. Kapita, and all your teachers who have worked along with you for making this program. I wish once again all MSCs, as I said, we miss you. It was really a great time being with you all in this institution. And I said we will be connecting with some of you as my faculty. We will have a proper interview and we will select again. As I got few resumes, we'll shortlist and we will have some of you in our institution. Thank you so much. Good luck to you all. And well done, MSc first years.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I request Ms. Pratibha for the vote of thanks. Ms. Pratibha to kindly unmute.
Sorry. Good morning all dignitaries, teachers and my lovely friends, especially our amazing seniors. Good morning all dignitaries, teachers and my lovely friends, especially our amazing seniors. Today, I, Pratibha Negi, MSc Nursing first year student of Nightingale Institute of Nursing, feel honored and privileged to get the opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this special day to all the dignitaries assembled over here. Every special moment comes to an end, and this occasion is not an exception to that. We part to rejoin in the journey of life. Today, you will take home the memories of the best time you have spent in this college. I hope you all will cherish all the memories you have created here over the years. Who knew that every moment we spent here we were making the memories? Soon we'll start walking our way with our journey. So let's take this moment and make it worth to remember. Firstly, I would like to thank our chief guest, respected Shri Ashok Jain sir, Chairman, and respected Mrs. Preeti Jain Madam, Vice President of Nightingale Institute of Nursing, who honored this occasion with their valuable presence and inspiring thoughts. I would also like to thank respected Professor Lavanya Nandan Madam, Director, Principal of Nightingale Institute of Nursing. My heartfelt thanks to respected Mrs. Sushma Sharma Madam, HR Head of Department, and all the faculty members of Nightingale Institute of Nursing for their valuable contribution, guidance and encouragement in all our efforts. I would like to thank all the distinguished invitees present over here, accepting our invitation, our seniors for being here with and glorifying this virtual farewell party with their presence. Thanks a lot for giving us the chance to make your final moments in this college memorable for the lifetime. Last but not least, I thank all of my friends for their cooperation in making this occasion a resounding success. At last, I would like to share a few words said by Malati Benega. That is, gratitude makes sense of your past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. Thank you all.
Thank you, Ms. Pratika.
Dear seniors.
Hello, Santosh. Before ending this session, your MSc second year Sarvani wants to present her poem. Ma'am, can we allow her to present the poem?
Who is that?
Ma'am, Sarvani, MSc second year.
Yeah, please. Yeah, it is there.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yeah, Salu, you can turn on your video and can share your poem.
Ma'am, actually I will speak.
Okay, fine, take it.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am. Thank you, my teachers. Today I want some poem line on my last days of college. So I speak and I start like, आज वक्त को रोकने का जी चाहता है, न जाने क्यों कुछ छूट जाने से डर लगता है। बच्चे बनकर ही तो आए थे हम सब, एक दूसरे से कितने पराए थे हम सब। कॉलेज के कुछ दिनों में ही हम एक हो गए, हंसने खेलने के बहाने अनेक हो गए। 2 साल पहले इस सफर की शुरुआत हुई थी, सेमिनार इंट्रो से जिंदगी स्टार्ट हुई थी। सूरज की पहली किरण से शुरुआत हुई हमारी, पूरे दिन की मस्ती और फिर रात हमारी। सोचते थे जल्दी यहाँ से चले जाएंगे, अब तो यही है भी नहीं पता आगे में ये समा पाएंगे या नहीं पाएंगे। याद आएंगे हमें कॉलेज से बिछड़ जाना, वो रात को देर से सोना और सुबह को पहली क्लास में अटेंडेंस देना, वो कपिलता मैम का पहला लेक्चर, लेट हो जाने पर एक्सप्लेनेशन देना, वो 9 बजे क्लास में एंट्री, नहीं तो फिर मैम को एक्सक्यूज देना, वो एंड मैम का रिसर्च पढ़ाना और फिर से लॉकडाउन लग जाना, वो जोली मैम का बच्चों की तरह होमवर्क देना और फिर हमें होमवर्क करके लेके आना, ग्लोरी मैम का प्यार से पढ़ाना और वो सीवी मैम की 40 मिनट्स की क्लास को एक्स्ट्रा क्लास बना देना, वो कपिलता मैम की प्यारी सी डांट और सीवी मैम का प्यारा सा प्यार हम कहाँ देख पाएंगे, जैसे तैसे निकाला पहला साल। एक दूसरे के कंधे को हाथ नहीं रख पाएंगे, पर न जाने क्यों दोस्तों वक्त को रोकने का जी चाहता है। जिन बातों का दुख आज उन पर हंसी आता है, न जाने कभी उन पलों की याद सताती है। वो क्विज प्रेजेंटेशन में पहली खाई डांट, फिर यस मैम कहकर दिया पूरा साल गुजार। ना चाहते हुए ये सारे एग्जीबिशन, अब हमें कौन बोलेगा, सुन रहे हो मैच्योर हो गए, एमएससी कर रही हो, तुम कुछ तो अपने जूनियर्स को सिखाओ। अब कौन कहेगा वो कैंटीन की चाय और ब्रेक का समोसा, किससे कहेंगे यार बाहर जा रही है तो मेरे लिए भी छोले कुलचे ला गए। असाइनमेंट पहले करने के लिए कौन आगे बढ़ेगा, फैकल्टी के पीछे कौन भागेगा, और कौन कहेगा यार मेरा भी प्रिंट करा लेना मास्क बंक के लिए। अब कौन बोलेगा यूनिटी में होकर प्रोजेक्ट कैंसिल करा लो, कौन बोलेगा। अब ये सारी चीजें हमें कहाँ कर पाएंगे। पीपीटी के लिए जान लगा दी जाती थी, मार्क्स भी ना मिले फिर भी थोड़ी हंसी खुद पे ही उड़वाई जाती थी। वो समय आता है थोड़ी जल्दी बीत गया, आज ये एक बार फिर मुझसे जीत गया। कहाँ मिलेगा यूं इस बंधन में नाच गाना, साड़ी पहन कर प्रेजेंटेशन देना और अपनी मनमर्जी करना। माना कि प्रोजेक्ट बनाने का मन हमारा नहीं करता था, पर मैम के कहने पर यस मैम बोल दिया ही करते थे और अच्छे बच्चों की तरह हर काम कर ही दिया करते थे। ये पल भी कैसे बदल गए। नाइटिंगेल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ नर्सिंग में पढ़ते पढ़ते हम ये दिन भी आ गया, क्या बड़ा में जीने का दिन आ गया। क्या पैसा क्या नौकरी, ये दिन बड़े याद आएंगे। कभी कभी हम याद करेंगे इन सब यादों को, जो मोबाइल या लैपटॉप में अपनी पीपीटी देखा करेंगे। क्लास और कैंटीन और लॉकडाउन वाली कहानी हो गई खत्म। अब अलग होगी मंजिलें और अलग होंगे हम। बहुत कुछ लिखा है, बहुत कुछ बाकी है, बस इस बात का डर लगता है अब हम अजनबी न बन जाएं दोस्तों। And I want also say some extra lines on farewell preparation, like we do some farewell preparation after the lockdown. एक आखिरी अलविदा जो अधूरा रह गया, बहुत याद आओगी तुम सब, ये तक कि नहीं कहा गया। अब न जाने किससे कब होगी मुलाकात, कॉलेज का सफर कुछ इस तरह से रह गया। उम्मीद है कि हालात जल्द ठीक हो जाएंगे, सब दोस्त मिलकर फिर प्लान बनाएंगे। जो रह गए हैं कसर बीमारी के दौर में, कन्वर्शन पर मिलकर खूब धूम मचाएंगे। थैंक यू टू ऑल।
Wow.
I hope you all like this poem.
Thank you, Bay. It was really beautiful.
Yeah, it was good one, Shalu. Don't worry, don't. If you come back to me, I'll remind you everything. I can give you back everything what you must say. Okay, don't worry.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dear Senior, we convey the best of our wishes to you this day. You shine, glorify, and reach greater heights each day. This is Santosh and Soumya, your host of the day, signing off. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead. Sayonara. Thank you all.
Thank you, Sonia and Santosh, for the being a wonderful anchor of today's program. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for the wonderful farewell.
All the best. All the very best. All the best.